Big news came out on Thursday for Palantir stock investors and maybe even Oracle investors as well, as now Palantir has partnered up with Oracle. Now, don't know if you know, but a couple of years ago, Oracle tried to acquire Palantir for around $30 billion or so, and Oracle also has some semi-competing products, more on that in just a bit. But now that partnership means that Palantir partnered up with AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, IBM Cloud, and Oracle. You might ask, how does this help Palantir? How does this help Oracle? Well, the more cloud partnerships you have, the better it will be with regards to sales for Palantir and for the cloud providers as well. For Palantir, since there is a lot of demand, since it's all about AI, computing power, stuff like that, could be very helpful to have such huge cloud partners. On the flip side, to drive sales, it can also help Palantir to drive increased sales. How do they do that? Well, the cloud providers might push Palantir's product. They can make money out of that as well, since again, AI computing will cost more money, so they gain from that. So we could see an increase in sales thanks to that. Now, like I said before, it was a strange announcement because Oracle and Palantir do offer some competing products. Now, there is also a logical side of this partnership, which was in the announcements, which we're going to read in a second. But for those who don't know, Oracle offers a thing called OBIA, or Oracle Business Intelligence Applications. If you have that, you get Oracle's Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition, which, as they say here, is a unique platform that enables customers to uncover new insights and make faster, more informed business decisions by offering agile visual analytics and self-service discovery together with the best-in-class enterprise analytics. So as you can see, quite similar. Now, before jumping into the report, if you enjoy this type of videos, do leave it a thumbs up, subscribe. If you have not, we're really getting close to 40,000 subscribers, so I really appreciate all the support you guys have been giving me lately. If you want to support me even further, do check out the link down in the description and in the pinned comment to get the top 10 best stocks to buy now, or go to fool.com/couchinvestor. Thank you very much. So, Oracle and Palantir joined forces to deliver mission-critical AI solutions to governments and businesses. By the way, remember the analysts with the bearish note with regards to Palantir and Palantir government that's not going to grow by much, etc., etc. As I said, do not sleep on Palantir's government side of things. Even management told us in the last earnings call that they expect the government side of the business to reaccelerate in 2024. Here's another proof of that. So, as part of the agreement, Palantir will move Foundry workloads to Oracle Cloud infrastructure. Again, this is something that costs money. Palantir will also make its Gotham and AI platforms deployable across Oracle's distributed cloud. Oracle's vast cloud footprint and sovereign AI, we've talked about that with regards to NVIDIA. It's going to be very important for each and every country to have its own data, to manipulate or to allow them to manipulate their own data, maybe monetize their data, manipulate their data, do whatever they want, but it's their data. It has to be their own thing, not something that is accessible around the world. Very important. So Oracle's vast cloud footprint and sovereign AI capabilities will allow more organizations to use Palantir's leading platforms for data integration and decision making. Now, increasing sales for Palantir here. Oracle and Palantir are proving there is no trade-off. Organizations can have the best cloud infrastructure, cloud applications, and AI while meeting the highest sovereignty and security standards. Very important here as we deal with AI, as we deal with a lot of proprietary data. Oracle and Palantir, they know that very, very well. Oracle is the only hyperscaler capable of delivering its entire AI and cloud suite to any business or government anywhere in the world. By combining the performance, scalability, and flexibility of Oracle Cloud infrastructure with Palantir's leading data and AI platforms, we will help our customers win in any industry or environment. And here, even more important stuff, Palantir and Oracle are both dedicated to defending Western interests and institutions around the world. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure's unique ability to help customers meet their regulatory performance and security needs will increase our impact and help our global clients gain the full benefits of cloud and AI. But I want to read this again. Palantir and Oracle are both dedicated to defending Western interests and institutions around the world. Very, very crucial part here, especially in the current geopolitical status around the world. Not a lot of tech companies are at the forefront of protecting Western values. Most of them are protecting their own wallets And whatever comes after that, they don't really care. And here the last thing, and this is again proving why this is a win-win, Oracle and Palantir will jointly sell and support cloud and AI services across government and commercial industries. For those that don't know how big Oracle is, well, for fiscal year 2023, they had $50 billion in revenue. They have over 430,000 customers in 175 countries, invested more than $72 billion in R&D since fiscal year 2012, spent over $120 billion on more than 150 acquisitions, has 20,000 partners across the globe, 164,000 employees, 18,000 customer support and service specialists speaking 29 languages, and has 30,000 implementations consultants, which I believe Accenture is also a big partner there, which also partners with Palantir, so a big player in that whole ecosystem. But again, this might seem like a small deal since we already work with Azure, AWS, Google Cloud, etc., etc. But I do think that with Oracle, it's something very, very specific. Oracle, very, very vocal on protecting Western values, whether it's in the United States, whether it's in Europe, in Middle East, you name it. And Palantir, of course, as well, extremely vocal on that front. And now I can't repeat it again and again. It's going to be very, very important in this next cycle of innovation with AI, with everything really advancing so fast each and every week. It's going to be of extreme importance to have the best people and companies protecting the right values. Now, before ending this video, I do want to show you one graph here by Arnie. Again, great follow on X. His link will be down in the description. So he says here, why will Palantir dominate AI? So on the left, you've got AI models, inputs, right? Your ChatGPT, Claude, Llama, KLMs, which is what Palantir is talking about. Then it flows into orchestration, AIP bootcamps, AIP now, accelerating all of that. What do they show you? Well, the output, all the use cases for all these industries, right? We've seen with Airbus, healthcare, government, defense, medical stuff, Ferrari, you name it, etc., etc. Exceptional graph here from Arnie, and this basically explains 1,000 words in one picture for Palantir. They're basically making all of this process extremely fast and efficient. So last two things here, looking at Palantir's valuation, market cap close to $50 billion, forward PE 68.9 times. Yes, if you look at valuation, it's not cheap at all. Compared to its 4-year mean, it's a bit cheaper right now. Remember, right now we are really in an upcycle where things are starting to accelerate quite fast. So I do think, in my opinion, the business will start to outgrow this stock's movement. Now, currently, again, remember, this is a close to $50 billion company. So yes, you've got your price to sales for the next 12 months at 18.6 times. But that is only at 18.6 times right now because the expectations are that they're not even going to generate $3 billion in revenue this year. In my opinion, I do think that we're going to see a reacceleration in revenue and we're going to exceed that number. Whenever we're going to see that remains to be seen, but I do expect some major reacceleration, especially in the second half of this year, continuing in 2025 and onwards. And so you'll see that price to sales ratio come down. It's very important for a software company to see revenue accelerate because we all know that their margins are quite high. So the more revenue there is, the more earnings there will be as well, more free cash flow, more money for buybacks, for interest income, because we know that interest rates will stay higher for longer, which is of course great for a company that has no debt and quite some cash, just like Palantir. Then last thing here, despite the great announcements on Thursday, everything was green until, well, close to the end of the day. Some negative comments from FedSpeaks, I believe, said something about interest rates might not get cut in 2024 at all. And so everything went down. We're now back under the 20 and the 50-day moving average. The 200-day moving average is still at $18.43. RSI sits at 41.33. Not a lot of positive momentum there. So to conclude, another great partnership by Palantir. Now we're seeing some acceleration from the government side of things. We've seen lots of partnerships announcements with regards to the commercial side. Now we're getting to see a bit more with regards to government. Just like management said, government side will reaccelerate in 2024. You're getting a reacceleration of commercial as well. I mean, lots of tailwinds for Palantir. I do want to see the business accelerate much faster than the stock. I hope you do too, of course. Do share your thoughts down in the comment section below. If you enjoy this type of videos, leave it a thumbs up, subscribe if not, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.